Hi there, students. To detract, a verb. A detractor, a person. So, a detractor is a person who is always criticizing, disparaging, or belittling, saying nasty things about another person or about a cause. And then we have the verb to detract, to decrease the value or worth of a quality or an achievement. So the busy road going in front of your house detracts from its value. The bad waiter service detracted from the wonderful quality of the food. The spelling mistakes detract from what is a good essay. So notice the preposition from. A detracts from B. Okay, so to detract, it's like to subtract, but from quality, from reputation, from the enjoyment, from the value of something. So yes, to detract, to take away from, to decrease the overall quality. This latest scandal detracts from his reputation. Silly mistakes detract from the overall quality of your English. This is very true of many students. Stop making silly mistakes because they detract from the good English that you do speak. The Prime Minister of the country will always have his supporters, yay, and his detractors, boo. The complicated wording detracts people's understanding of the underlying message. It detracts from the people's understanding of the underlying message. So the wording is so complicated, they don't really understand it well. The strong smell of cow manure detracted from the beautiful bucolic countryside scene in front of me. So it was beautiful, it was a wonderful scene, but poor did it stink, and the smell detracted from it. Her bad temper detracts from the attractiveness of her beauty. The high price of this item detracts me. I'd like to buy it, but it's incredibly expensive. So, to detract, to reduce the quality of something, to reduce the reputation of something, to act as a negative characteristic. And then a detractor, somebody who's always criticizing, who's always saying bad things about a person or an idea or a company or a plan or a country. Okay, so to detract, to take away from, to rebase, to reduce the quality. Notice, to detract is a regular verb. This detracted from the overall quality. It has detracted significantly from my high opinion of him. I'd probably give it something like a 6 in formality. I think informally I might say to take away from. So with a 6 in formality, you can use it in a conversation, but not in a really informal one in the pub. Certainly a word to write in semi-formal and formal essays would sound really good. And then what about origin? Well, from Middle French, détracter, to take away from, and that itself comes from Latin, detractum, to remove, de, from, and trahere, to pull. So to pull from, yeah, it's taking away from it. So to detract, to reduce.